सो गाइस लेट्स कम बैक टू द क्वेश्चन। और क्वेश्चन दिया है कि ए लाइन विच इज पासिंग थ्रू पॉइंट 1, 2 meets this line which is x plus y equal to 7 at 3 units distance from P। तो पहले ये इन्फॉर्मेशन को हम विजुअलाइज करते हैं। लेट दिस बी द कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस और ये लाइन x plus y equal to 7 ऐसे होगा समवॉट, and a line which is passing through point P 1, 2। तो फॉर एज्यूम पॉइंट 1, 2 यहाँ है, that is point 1, 2 and a line passing through this meets at 3 units distance from P। तो assume that line to be like this line which is passing through point P meets at 3 units distance to this line. Let this point be some Q, this is P and we know this distance is equal to 3. So we need to find an equation in terms of slope of this line. So let's assume this makes an angle theta, so its slope would be, slope of line is m is equals to tan theta, because we know it's making an angle theta, or let it be m, and if we want to find a coordinates of a point which makes angle theta and at r distance, then we can write, let this point P be, let P is equals to x comma y, assume, then we can write Q as x, this is already x plus r cos theta comma y plus r sin theta. So let's see how we can conclude this x plus r cos theta, this point which is x comma y, so it is already at x distance and we assume this to be r, this 3 to be r and this angle is theta. So if we consider a line from here, we can say this is making theta, so even this makes theta, this is r cos theta, and from here to this point this is r sin theta. So we know this is x and we got this is r cos theta. So the total x coordinate of Q is x plus r cos theta. In the same way, this point P, initially P's y coordinate was y, and because of this r, this P is at r sin theta distance vertically, so this distance is r sin theta, hence we have y plus r sin theta. So now we can say point P, when P is x comma y, Q is x plus r cos theta and y is plus r sin theta. Now as we already know value of P to be 1, 2, we can put x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 2. So we have coordinates of Q to be 1 plus r cos theta and 2 plus r sin theta, and as we don't know the coordinates of Q, let's assume it x comma y. So x comma y is equals to 1 plus r cos theta comma 2 plus r sin theta. Now let's equate both. We get x is equals to 1 plus r is 3, because it is already given that point Q is 3 units from P, r is 3. So 1 plus 3 cos theta and y is equals to 2 plus 3 sin theta. We have cos theta is equals to x minus 1 by 3, sin theta is equals to y minus 2 by 3. So okay, so let's not just go over this. From that we'll get the equation of line, but we need an equation in terms of slope. So we know the point Q is 1 plus r cos theta and 2 plus r sin theta, which is 1 plus 3 cos theta and 2 plus 3 sin theta, and this Q also lies on this line, which is x plus y is equals to 7. So point Q should satisfy this line, x plus y is equals to 7. So 1 plus 3 cos theta plus 2 plus 3 sin theta is 7. We have 3 plus 3 into sin theta plus cos theta is equals to 7. We get sin theta plus cos theta is equals to 4 by 3. Now we need an equation in terms of slope of this line. So let's square on both sides. We get sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equals to 4 by 3. This is 1 plus, we can write 2 sin theta cos theta as sin 2 theta. We have 1 plus sin 2 theta is equals to 4 by 3 and sin 2 theta is equals to 1 by 3. Now we have to convert this sin into tan, sin 2 theta into tan theta, because we know tan theta is the slope. Then we will finally get an equation in terms of slope. So we can write sin 2 theta in terms of tan theta as sin 2 theta is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is equals to 1 by 3. So tan theta is slope. We have 2m by 1 plus m square is equals to 1 by 3. 1 plus m square is equals to 6m. We get m square minus 6m plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation. In the previous question, when we arrived at sin theta plus cos theta is equals to 4 by 3, we did squaring on both sides, but I forgot to square on the right hand side. So let's continue doing it now. We get sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equals to 16 by 9. So 1 plus sin 2 theta is equals to 16 by 9, which is sin 2 theta is equals to 16 by 9 minus 1, which is 16 minus 9 by 9 is equals to 7 by 9. So sin 2 theta is equal to 7 by 9. Now let's write sin 2 theta in terms of tan theta, because we needed equation in the slope of the line, and tan theta is the slope. So 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is equals to 7 by 9. So 2m by 1 plus m square is equals to 7 by 9. We have 7 plus 7m square minus 18m is equals to 0. 7m square minus 18m plus 7 is equals to 0. So this is the answer.